wheels of justice that are now moving in Karnataka's sexual assault case, with the special investigation team that is probing the case after arrested JDS MLA and father of Prajwal Revanna, H.D. Revanna, after the court denied him any relief from the arrest and he failed to appear before the agency despite 2 summons being issued. He was being held in connection with the Mysuru kidnapping case in which H.D. Revanna is accused. Number 1. The victim, who was allegedly kidnapped on the 29th of April, was rescued at H.D. Revanna's aide Rajashekhar's farmhouse in Mysuru's Hunsur on Saturday. Soon after the arrest, he was questioned at the CID office by the SIT salutes.
After being arrested, Revanna now being brought to the CID office here. This is where the SIT, of course, has been sitting. You can see, of course, the car that has just gone inside, and more importantly, he was even taken to the Bowring Hospital for a medical checkup. Now, at this point in time, since the arrest, of course, has come in only late in the evening today, the SIT does have about 24 hours before they have to produce him before the magistrate. And considering the interim bail plea, of course, has been rejected, right now the only recourse legally that Mr. Revanna has is to wait till Monday. That's when the actual bail hearing will be happening. But at this point in time, the trouble is only mounting as far as Mr. H.D. Revanna is concerned. There are 2 FIRs that have been, of course, registered where he has been named as the prime accused in both of these cases. One is a case pertaining to sexual assault. The other is for kidnap. Now, at this point in time, what we are picking up is that he will spend his entire night at the CID office itself. 2 mattresses as well have been brought in. So a lot of developments taking place, even as a search for Prajwal Revanna, his son, continues.
Reacting to the arrest of the JDS MLA, Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah said they are not interfering and the police is doing their job, while the Congress claims that the law is taking its own course. Listen into the multiple reactions coming in.
ನಾನು ಪೊಲೀಸ್ನವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದೆ, ನಾವು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಟರ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ, ಯಾಕಂತ ಕಾನೂನು ರೀತಿಯ ಕ್ರಮ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಅವರು ಆಂಟಿಸಿಪೇಟರಿ ಬೇಲ್ ಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಂತೆ ಯಾವುದೋ ಕಿಡ್ನಾಪ್ ಕೇಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ. ಆಂಟಿಸಿಪೇಟರಿ ಬೇಲ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಲಿಲ್ಲ, ವಜಾ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು ಅವ್ರ ಆಂಟಿಸಿಪೇಟರಿ ಬೇಲ್. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನ ಕಸ್ಟಡಿ ತಗೊಂಡಿರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾ ಇನ್ನ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ನವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ, ಪೊಲೀಸ್ನವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡಿ.
ಸರ್, ಮಾಜಿ ಸಚಿವ CS ಪುಟ್ಟರಾಜ್ ಅವರು ಮಾತನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್. ಈಗ ಪ್ರಜ್ವಲ್ ರೇವಣ್ಣ ಅವರು ನೇರವಾಗಿ ಕೋರ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬಂದು ಸರೆಂಡರ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಪುಟ್ಟರಾಜ್ ಅವರು, ಮಾಜಿ MLA, ಒಂದು ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸರ್. ಪುಟ್ಟರಾಜ್ ಮಾಜಿ MLA, ಮೇಲ್ಕೋಟೆ ವಿಧಾನಸಭಾ ಕ್ಷೇತ್ರ, ಮೇಲುಕೋಟೆ
ಅವರು ಲಾಯರ,
JDS
ಲಾಯರ್ ಅವರು
ಪ್ರಜ್ವಲ್ ರೇವಣ್ಣ
ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ, ಪೊಲೀಸ್ನವ್ರ ಜೊತೆ ಮಾತಾಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ರೆಡ್ ಕಾರ್ನರ್ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಜಾರಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
I am not aware of it. The law will take its own course.
Yes, sir. What are the efforts of bringing back Prajwal?
Well, Imran with us, joining us live. Good afternoon, Imran. Are we looking at the investigation now moving ahead, because the arrest happened last evening? Today, in all likelihood, he would be produced before the court.
Well, yes, he was, after the court denied him bail, he was arrested at 7 p.m. from H.D. Devegowda's former Prime Minister, H.D. Revanna's father's residence by the SIT, which took him into custody. He was taken to Bowring Hospital and he was further questioned entire night by the SIT. As per the procedure, after 24 hours, they have to produce him in the court to show his arrest and seek police custody, and most likely they will ask for 7 days, and looks like the court will grant him some 3 to 4 days of custody, and that's a procedure they have to follow. The more important is the where is Prajwal Revanna, that also a line of questioning, and how, when all he contacted and how he left the country, that was one questioning will definitely be done, because he's the main accused in this all these sex tapes which have come out where he sexually assaulted several women is the complaint. But so far 3 FIRs have been registered in which he is accused of raping and sexual assault and other charges. Now, as I said earlier, he will be produced before the magistrate and the police will seek his custody.
All right, please do stay on with us, Imran. As far as today's investigation is concerned, we also break down when it comes to the political reactions. Sharpening the attack at the Congress, the state BJP president B.Y. Vijendra alleged that the Congress is connecting Prime Minister and the BJP with the incident for vote bank politics.
जो गलती किया है उसको भुगतना पड़ेगा, स्पेशली कांग्रेस इधर राज्य के मुख्यमंत्री और उप मुख्यमंत्री बार बार इस विषय में केंद्र सरकार को जोड़ने की कोशिश कर रहा है, बार बार इस विषय को मोदी जी को जोड़ने के लिए कोशिश कर रहा है। इसलिए कांग्रेस लगातार कोशिश कर रहा है वो प्रज्वल रेवन्ना के मामले में पूरा राज्य में पूरा इश्यू बनाने के लिए सोच रहा है। लेकिन जहाँ तक बीजेपी का स्टैंड है, लेट मी क्लियर वंस अगेन, आवर स्टैंड इज़ वेरी क्लियर। Bharatiya Janata Party will not support any such incidents and will not support Prajwal Revanna in this issue. Our Home Minister also stated clearly on this particular issue.
Well, on the other hand, the nose is tightening on Prajwal Revanna as the police has been now claiming, according to sources, that he doesn't have an option to surrender right now, and the minute that he is traced, he will be arrested. On Saturday, Rahul Gandhi wrote a letter to Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah extending his support to the victims. Rahul Gandhi claimed that Prajwal Revanna assaulted and filmed them, further demanding strictest punishment against the accused. Making sensational claims, Rahul Gandhi alleged that Union Home Minister Amit Shah was informed about Revanna's acts back in December 2023, and yet he was allowed to leave the country by the central government. However, amid the storm over the assault, Times Now's group editor-in-chief Navika Kumar has exclusively spoken to Union Home Minister Amit Shah, who has assured the strictest, most possible action will be taken.
लेकिन आप वहां महिला रक्षा में खड़े हैं संदेश खाली में, और यहां कर्नाटक में जहां आप कल थे वहां आपके अलायंस पार्टनर के फैमिली मेंबर्स वो इन्वॉल्व हैं शोषण में। 2976 वीडियो की बात हो रही है जो प्रज्वल रेवन्ना की हैं। वो देश से भाग जाते हैं, किसी को पता भी नहीं चलता।
देखिए, हमने इस पर हमारा स्टैंड असंदिग्ध रखा है, स्पष्ट स्टैंड है हमारा। कठोर से कठोर कदम उठाने चाहिए, और कर्नाटक सरकार नहीं उठा सकती है तो छोड़ दे, हम उठाएंगे। लॉ एंड ऑर्डर उनके हाथ में है। जब तक वोकलिगा वोटिंग नहीं हुआ, इन्होंने ये पूरी चीज को दबा कर रखा। जैसे ही वोकलिगा बिल का वोटिंग समाप्त हुआ, इसको बाहर लाए और तब तक भाग गए। मैं आपको बताता हूं, अगर उन्होंने समय पर कदम उठाए होते तो भाग भी नहीं पाते, अरेस्ट भी होते।
लेकिन आपके अपने पार्टी के आदमी ने चिट्ठियां लिखी हैं कर्नाटक के स्टेट प्रेसिडेंट को।
देखिए, एक बात समझ लीजिए, एक नॉन ऑफिशियल का चिट्ठी लिखना, इसकी तथ्य की जानकारी का कर्नाटक स्टेट प्रेसिडेंट के पास क्या एजेंसी है? एजेंसी किसके पास है? कर्नाटक में कांग्रेस के पास है। उनको जांच करनी थी, और एक कब का मालूम होगा? मैं तो स्पष्ट आरोप लगाता हूं, इन्होंने वोकलिगा वोटिंग समाप्त होने तक इसको दबा कर रखा, क्योंकि डीके शिव कुमार स्वयं वोकल